Well, I'm going from propane heat back to electric heat. My heater is working. It just now kicked off. I want to thank everybody for helping me, talking me through this. It's been a real struggle. I want to thank my best friend John for helping me put it back together. Everything I needed, just a little over $200. I appreciate everything. I appreciate all of you guys for being here. Appreciate all of you, every one of you, for being part of my channel. Alright, let's get this going. Get this trailer warmed up. God bless you guys.